Hello! If you're watching this video, chances are you have had some troubles using the Figma plugin called Spectral Design Doc. And today I'm just going to show you how to properly use it so you won't run into any issues with it. So first, you're going to want to measure some things in your design. Okay. Okay. So now that you're done measuring everything, you can either move this aside or close it, it doesn't really matter. But what usually tends to happen that is an issue is you're going to want to move your design somewhere, or you want to transfer it or copy it, and what happens is the measurements don't come with it. So this tends to happen whenever the measurements are locked, where you won't be able to even access them through here. And what you're going to want to do is look at the left hand side of your layers, and you're going to scroll until you find some frames that are locked, like so. Sometimes the container won't be expanded, so it'll be harder for you to find these. So what you're going to try to do is unlock it, right? So once the container is unlocked, we can move it, right? Let's try to move it. So yeah, that's not going to work. That is because you have to open the container and everything inside it is still unlocked. Still locked. So you're going to have to manually go through, unlock everything. Okay. Now that everything is unlocked, we can move everything, right? Let's try to move it. Okay. What's happening? So we are able to move it, but it is still being weird. So if we try to grab just this one side, it'll move the measurements from the other design with it. So how do we not have that happen? Okay, so for that, you are gonna click on the container and you are gonna go ahead and ungroup everything. So now all your measurements are in individual frames. Now, when you select this entire design, you can freely move it. But what I like to do in order to avoid this clutter right here is I like to make an additional frame. And here I'll move you a little bit closer so you can see this area is hard to read the title of the design. So you select the entire thing and you frame it one more time and it clears everything up, and you can title it version 3 and have a much more clear design where you can clearly see all the measurements, and now you won't have to select everything, you can just move it. And that's how you use this plugin. So if you have any other questions, please let me know.